Can you trade Forex on Binance? The allure of trading on a platform like Binance, renowned for its cryptocurrency market dominance, is undeniable. Its user-friendly interface, low fees, and vast array of trading instruments have attracted millions worldwide. However, while Binance offers a diverse range of financial products, including futures, options, and margin trading, it does not currently support direct Forex trading. This absence of traditional Forex trading might seem surprising, given Binance's reputation as a comprehensive financial platform. However, it's important to understand the fundamental differences between cryptocurrency and Forex markets. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized digital assets, often powered by blockchain technology, while Forex involves trading pairs of national currencies. These distinct characteristics necessitate separate trading platforms tailored to the specific requirements of each market. While Binance doesn't directly facilitate Forex trading, it does offer related products that can indirectly expose traders to currency fluctuations. For instance, Binance's stablecoin derivatives allow traders to speculate on the price movements of stablecoins, which are cryptocurrencies pegged to fiat currencies like the US dollar. By trading these derivatives, traders can effectively bet on the relative value of different currencies without directly participating in the Forex market. Additionally, Binance's margin trading feature provides leverage, enabling traders to amplify their potential profits or losses. This can be particularly advantageous for those seeking to capitalize on short-term price movements in the cryptocurrency market. However, it's crucial to approach margin trading with caution, as the increased leverage also carries heightened risks. In conclusion, while Binance does not offer direct Forex trading, it provides a range of related products that can indirectly expose traders to currency fluctuations. Its innovative features, such as stablecoin derivatives and margin trading, make it a compelling platform for those interested in exploring the world of digital finance. However, it's essential to conduct thorough research and understand the inherent risks associated with trading before making any investment decisions.